Welcome to episode 3 of the fitness section of our channel. Variety is the spice of life. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest fitness myths that refuses to die: can you really lose fat and gain muscle at the same time? For years, we've been told it's either one or the other. Diet hard and lose muscle, or train heavy and gain fat. But what if there's a smarter, science-backed approach that lets you do both? In this episode, we'll break down the truth behind body recomposition, simplify the science, and show you how strength training, nutrition, and recovery can transform your body sustainably. Let's get started. If you've spent any time in the fitness world, you've probably heard this debate: you can't burn fat and build muscle at the same time. Traditionally, fat loss meant calorie deficits and muscle loss, while muscle gain required calorie surpluses and fat gain. But modern research and real-world results are challenging this outdated belief. The process known as body recomposition focuses on changing what your body is made of, not just what the scale says. Instead of obsessing over weight, recomposition emphasizes reducing fat mass while increasing lean muscle. This approach doesn't promise overnight transformations, but it delivers lasting results. The key lies in understanding how your body responds to training stimuli, nutrition timing, and recovery. When done correctly, your body becomes incredibly efficient at using energy, burning fat while preserving and building muscle. Body recomposition works because your body isn't a simple on-off machine, it's adaptive. Under the right conditions, it can burn stored fat for energy while simultaneously using protein to repair and build muscle tissue. Several factors influence whether recomposition is achievable. Your training experience, current body fat levels, hormonal profile, diet quality, and sleep habits all play a role. Beginners often see rapid results due to early neurological and muscular adaptations. Overweight individuals benefit from excess fat stores that act as fuel. Those returning to training tap into muscle memory. However, highly trained athletes near their genetic limits may find progress slower, but not impossible. The takeaway is simple: your starting point determines your speed, not your potential. One of the most overlooked concepts in fitness is nutrient partitioning, the body's ability to decide whether calories are stored as fat or used to build muscle. When nutrient partitioning is optimized, your body becomes more efficient at sending nutrients toward muscle repair instead of fat storage. This is where strategy matters. Calorie cycling, balanced macronutrients, proper meal timing, and hormonal health all influence this process. Strength training improves insulin sensitivity, making your muscles more receptive to nutrients. Adequate protein intake ensures those nutrients are actually used for muscle growth. Simply put, body recomposition isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. When your lifestyle aligns with your biology, fat loss and muscle gain stop competing and start cooperating. If body recomposition had a cornerstone, it would be strength training. Resistance exercises send a powerful signal to your body: muscle is necessary. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups activate multiple muscle groups at once. This leads to higher calorie burn, increased hormonal response, and greater muscle stimulation. Strength training boosts metabolism, improves insulin sensitivity, and creates an afterburn effect, meaning you continue burning calories long after your workout ends. The secret is progressive overload, gradually increasing weight, reps, or volume over time. You don't need endless gym sessions. 3 to 4 focused workouts per week, paired with proper recovery, are more than enough to reshape your body. Protein plays a dual role in body recomposition. It protects muscle during fat loss and fuels muscle growth. Without enough protein, your body struggles to maintain lean mass, especially during calorie restriction. Aiming for 1.4 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day creates the ideal environment for recomposition. Protein also has a higher thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. High-quality sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based options like tofu and lentils. Equally important is timing: spreading protein intake evenly across meals, consuming it before and after workouts, and including a slow-digesting source before sleep. Protein doesn't just build muscle, it controls hunger, supports recovery, and accelerates fat loss. Training breaks muscle down, recovery builds it back stronger. Without proper recovery, fat loss stalls and muscle growth suffers. Sleep is where the magic happens. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone and testosterone, both essential for muscle repair and fat metabolism. Rest days allow muscle fibers to heal, replenish glycogen stores, balance stress hormones, and prevent injury. Active recovery like walking, stretching, yoga, or foam rolling improves circulation without adding fatigue. Stress management is equally important. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which promotes fat storage and muscle breakdown. If training is the stimulus, recovery is the adaptation. Neglect it, and progress slows; respect it, and results multiply. An effective body recomposition plan blends strength training, cardio, and intensity. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a powerful fat-burning tool that preserves muscle. Short bursts of intense effort followed by brief rest periods spike metabolism and improve conditioning. Compound strength workouts maximize calorie expenditure while building lean mass. Circuit training bridges the gap, combining strength and cardio into one efficient session. As your body adapts, progressive overload ensures continued improvement. The goal isn't exhaustion, it's progression. Train with purpose, track performance, and let adaptation do the rest. Body recomposition isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term commitment. Tracking progress helps you stay aligned with your goals. Use measurements, progress photos, strength numbers, energy levels, and recovery quality, not just the scale. Balance strength training with cardio, fuel your body with whole foods, stay hydrated, and adjust when needed. Consistency beats perfection. Small, repeatable habits compound into visible transformation over time. Fitness isn't a destination, it's a system you live by. When training, nutrition, recovery, and mindset align, change becomes inevitable. Let me leave you with a personal reflection, my zone. As a college student, I admired my uncles for their strong physiques, broad shoulders, flat stomachs, powerful arms. They represented strength, discipline, and vitality. But over the years, lifestyle caught up. Poor habits led to weight gain, declining health, and eventually serious medical consequences. One uncle lost weight rapidly after landing in the ICU, but without strength, balance, or recovery, he lost vitality along with fat. That journey taught me something profound. Looking good at 16 may be God's grace, but looking good at 60 is your personal choice. Health isn't a crash course. It's discipline, balance, and responsibility. Your body reflects your habits, and self-care isn't vanity, it's respect. If this episode added value to your fitness journey, like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. Final thought, fitness is not about obsession, it's about consistency. Choose balance today, and your future self will thank you.